Today we're going to talk about the ChatGPT Desktop App, how to download it, how to use it, and how to incorporate it into your workflow. So when OpenAI announced GPT 4.0 roughly 2 weeks ago, they also announced a desktop app. So if you look into their announcement blog post, you'll see that they mentioned this new desktop app and some of the features around being able to see what you're doing on your computer, being able to call ChatGPT at any point in time to be able to interact with whatever you're looking at. Now, this first version is actually quite basic, but I can see that there is so much potential for what they can add here. Imagine if ChatGPT had real-time access to whatever you're looking at and had access to be able to do actions on your computer for you. That, I think, will be the next step. And OpenAI and other startups have sort of come out and talked about large action models, this sort of stuff in the past. So I do think everything is heading in this direction. Anyways, without further ado, let's stop looking at the announcement blog post and get into how to install ChatGPT Desktop. So ChatGPT Desktop is currently only available for ChatGPT Plus subscribers, and even then is not 100% rolled out. They're rolling it out sort of slowly. I only got access to it roughly a week ago. I know they're sort of still rolling it out, but I think you probably already have access to it, or you're going to get access in the coming weeks if you have ChatGPT Plus. When you do get access, you'll have a notice banner down here just near your chat window asking you to download it. But if you've accidentally closed that, the way to download it is just to click your icon on the top right, your avatar, and then click the download the macOS app. So that's the other disclaimer here. The ChatGPT Desktop app is only available on macOS at the moment. So once you've downloaded the macOS app, you just go through the standard installation process for a macOS app. Once you've got that done, the way you trigger the ChatGPT app by default is actually to press the Option and Spacebar key. So if I press the Option and Spacebar, you'll see that this has popped up. It pops up in the middle of your screen, and it sort of looks like the spotlight in Mac. And then what you can do here is you can talk directly to ChatGPT. So you might say something like, compare Zapier and make.com. And once you press enter, it'll pop out with a window directly here. So it just makes it so much easier and faster to call ChatGPT no matter where you are on your device. But so far, this is just a faster way to call ChatGPT. There's actually more to this app, even in this initial release. So I'm just going to close this here. The other thing you can do is if you click here, there is a attachments icon. So here you can sort of attach files as you normally would within the online version of ChatGPT. So you can upload files, upload photos. But the thing that's unique here is you can take screenshots very easily. So you could already do this on the web app, but you'd have to manually take the screenshot and then upload it to ChatGPT. But now you can do it automatically. So you can just click whichever window you want or click the entire screen. But that is still very annoying and very slow. So I've discovered this little tip for everyone, which is what you can do is, so you trigger your chat window, and what you can do is actually just type the window that you want to take a screenshot of. So right now I'm using Chrome, so I'm going to type in Chrome, and then I can just automatically take a screenshot of Chrome, and it pulls that in, and I can say summarize this post. So that screenshot is just a summary of the OpenAI announcement, and it can summarize that post for me. So yeah, this is something I've actually started to use more and more as I've gotten more used to it, but it's such an easy way, faster way to put screenshots into ChatGPT 4.0. And yeah, it just makes a lot of sense because GPT 4.0 is multimodal, so it's fast at responding to images as well. You also have chat here, but this chat is not the chat that they demoed in their videos. This is just the normal chat that you get if you're using the iPhone app, iOS app. So you won't be able to talk to it and interrupt it and all that sort of stuff. Up here, you have all sort of the normal stuff that you get access to in the web app as well. You have temporary chat and everything else that you need. And the final thing I'm just going to cover before I wrap up for this video is you can actually customize the desktop launcher. So by default, it is the Option key plus the space key. But depending on what tools you use, you might use Raycast or something like that. It might sort of clash with this, so you can easily change it. You can also show ChatGPT in dock, and when you sort of log in for the first time, it will also ask you what voice you want to use. It's similar to the iOS iPhone app. set up in that sense. Cool. So that's it for this video. It's a pretty quick one today. If you have any questions, thoughts, or feedback, feel free to leave a comment. If you like these sorts of more general AI videos, please do let me know. But that's it, and I'll see you in my next video.